It's Monday and I'm going to show you how to do the Twisty blow dry. I'm going to prep my hair with some leave-in treatment because my hair is real dry. I use about a little squirt like so. 2 clips, section off my hair, front to back, front to back. 2 little pigtail things. I'll leave one alone. Here is the first section. Start with this area here. Twist off this part here, clip it away, then you begin. My hair is semi-towel dried, kind of wet. Semi-wet? Towel dried? It's been towel dried. We're twisting the hair away from the face. So the direction is up and around. Pull through, up and around, pull through. You want your nozzle to stay close to the brush around this area here, pulling through, up and around, pulling through, up and around. My first section is complete, and don't brush it out or anything yet. You want to let it cool down and set. We're going to work up horizontally and repeat. For my final piece here, section it out, going on an angle like this. Okay, so this side is now complete. This is where it gets a little bit tricky because you have to swap hands. Great. Laurel. Repeating all the same measures on this side as the previous side. Keel. So I finally finished the hard stuff. Let it sit like this for a little bit and then I'm ready to rock and roll. Break up that curl. You can even flip your head sort of upside down or backwards for a bit of volume. That is complete. Wow. You got yourself a twisted blow wave. Wonder how that looked.